What's up? How are you today, guys? I hope that you are doing well. So today we are in Jati, Luwih. It's raining. I think it's starting in the morning and then it's still raining, cloudy, like behind me. We cannot see the beautiful Mount Batu Karu today, unfortunately. And yeah, just only beautiful rice paddies around. And it's lunchtime, so we decided to have a lunch break here. Overview the beautiful rice paddies in Jati, Luwih.
This restaurant is so beautiful but so quiet. I remember where we were here many times, long time ago. It was always full packed of the people, but currently only some family come here, which is also not so bad. And our food arrived. Oh, what's up? I forgot to tell you hello. Today we have a food here, beautiful rice fields in the background, and I have a local food today. I don't have a pizza or a burger, so because I was feeling like maybe better I should eat something local. What do you have?
So today I have a chapchai. So it's a rainy, cold morning. I feel like I need to eat something hot. And then I have the red rice. So Jati, Luwih is actually famous for the red rice paddies. And here it is. It's more healthy than white rice. So red rice is actually is easily grows here only in the Jati, Luwih area. So yeah, this is more healthy than the white rice, right?
Exactly, and I have a beef rendang with the red rice also, and even some people just come literally like 5 minutes ago. I don't know how come they come just now when I was sitting here was nobody.
Wow, look at your food. How is your rendang, sayang?
Very nice actually. Little Padang style, but very nice. I like it.
Smacznego, selamat makan. Look at the view. Already foggy, raining. So the food is beautiful, nice, so yum. And yeah, just like behind me, the view is kind of, I don't know, the rice paddies with the foggy surround and rain. So yeah, this is how it is actually when it's very
Foggy.
foggy and rain. But yeah, beautiful.
That is beautiful. It's really beautiful. Some people arrived here, even the baby crying, so sorry for little distraction, but that's normal, very nice. Really pretty nice, pretty nice. And the fog is coming actually saying that like from nowhere just now, right? Alright, so it's beautiful Sunday early afternoon because it's just after 12 o'clock and it's of course beautiful rainy. But we are in the beautiful scenery place of Jati, Luwih in central Bali today. Yes, honey, this is almost your hometown actually. So maybe you can say something more.
Yeah.
I will hold this so you can focus.
So yeah, we just had, oh my goodness, it's windy, rain, foggy. So this is how it is nowadays in Bali, the weather. Yeah, just like what we explained before, it's not the best time for the outdoor activities because the weather is just like this. I hope that the wind will not fly me to the moon. So yeah, this is how it is. The rice paddies becoming yellow and then will be
Harvest time soon.
harvest season time. And yeah, let's have a coffee somewhere. We already have a lunch and we decided to go to the small warung down there. So yeah, let's see how it is.
But even it's rainy, I just quickly jumped. I want to show you as people still cycling around. It's actually pretty nice because it's not that cold, isn't it?
It's very cold for me already.
I mean, not that hot. I just meant not that cold. For you, it's a little bit cold already. And we're gonna have a coffee somewhere here. I hope so. It's not gonna be stormy actually, because that will be a little bit problematic to film. We are in the little restaurant on the middle of the rice fields. Actually, we filmed here once, but was the better weather. I mean, the weather is actually not so bad. There are some people, they have a coffee, so that's good. Rain in the background. It's actually pretty cold. It's really nice. Actually, I like rice fields when it's raining more when it's sunny because it's different experience a little bit. Look at these people over there, they're working hard. I will try to zoom it slightly for you. Check this out.
Look at this farmer working hard no matter what. Rain, hot, sunshine. Never give up.
Our coffee arrived.
So yeah, we decided to have a coffee because it's very, for me it's already very cold.
It's
So-
chill weather, not
Yeah.
cold, but it's okay.
Yeah. So yeah, we decided to have a dessert here in the warung. So nice. Hot pisang goreng and hot cappuccino for our dessert. Selamat makan with the brown sugar.
It looks like a whiskey syrup. Are you sure it's only the sugar?
So
Alright.
nice.
Okay, good. Smaczne, bo
Selamat makan.
it looks so fresh, isn't it?
Yeah. They are very strong people. Berat ya Bu ya. Yeay. Berapa kilo Bu?
Ini
Ya.
bisa 60 kilo.
Wow, semangat Bu. 60 kilogram on on her head. So wow. So when it is raining, so the farmers have a rest, having a lunch. You see? Ibu.
Hello.
Nggih.
The lady is sitting and they hear also.
So as you see that normally the farmers who working in the rice paddies, normally they are older people. I mean like they are not young people, because seems like young people, they just choose to be like working in the hotels or in the restaurant. But I hope that as what the government wants, like the youngsters interest to work as a farmers, but as you see the reality, most of them are the older people.
Alright, so we are after our coffee, and actually the rain is stronger when we are going for having a coffee, so that's how it is. Beautiful weather, beautiful conditions. You saw how the people working hard, planting the rice, by the way. So that's
Harvesting the rice, sayang.
Oh, harvesting. So I don't know. I messed up today. Hot with cold, harvesting with planting. I don't know. Anyway, sorry, no drone flights today. No drone shots because, well, I cannot fly drone during the conditions like this. I hope so you understand. Anyway, I make so many videos from this spot, so you can watch my old videos actually with the rainy season, in the beautiful sunny season. Unfortunately, no with snow. No snow here in Bali. So
Yeah. So definitely like November, December already starting rainy season. So yeah, you will see more of our videos with the umbrellas, raining, sound of the rains, water everywhere, or maybe you see flood everywhere. I
but
hope not.
we are not from sugar either. Actually, I have so many sugar in my blood, but we are not from sugar, so we will vlog even it's gonna be super heavy rain, so don't worry about that.
No matter what the season, dry, rain, the vlog must be on.
Must be.
Okay, I think that's all our video today, guys, from Jati Luwih. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care.
Bye.